In this video, we will see how we can copy and compare structure variables. Now, there is a particular manner or a valid method by which we can copy and compare structure variables. So, just like we need to copy any ordinary variable, and also at times we need to compare different variables. Similarly, in case of structures also, we need to copy variables. We need to copy one variable onto another variable, or we need to compare two variables. Now, what is the right method for doing that? So that this we will see in this video. Now, first of all, you can see here that two variables of same structure can be copied the same way as ordinary variables, right? So just like you can copy any ordinary variables. So by ordinary variable, I mean a variable of data type integer, float, char. So the regular or ordinary data types that we have in C. Such variables, say for example, there are two integer variables, int a and b. So if I want to copy one variable onto another, how will I do that? I will say a equals to b, or I will say b equals to a. So this is the simple method by which I can copy one variable onto another, right? So similarly in C also two variables can be copied in the same manner, provided that they belong to the same structure, right? So if there is a structure, say for example struct book, this is the, and then we have some members here, and there is a variable, then we declare variable person1 comma person2. So now you know that person1 and person2 are the two variables, and both of them belong to the same structure, which is book. So now since they belong to the same structure, they can be copied in the similar manner you copy any ordinary variables. So just like I gave you an example of integer a equals to b, or b equals to a, this way you can copy two ordinary variables. Similarly, two structure variables, this is first structure variable, this is the second structure variable. So two structure variables, if they belong to the same structure, then they can be copied in the similar manner like any other ordinary variable. Say person1 equals to person2. So for example, if you want to copy all the contents of person2 to person1, this is how you can do that. Similarly, if you want to copy the contents, all the contents of person1 to person2, this is how you can do that. So this is the mechanism by which you can copy one structure variable onto another structure variable. There is nothing different here. It's the same as any ordinary variable. The only condition is that they should belong to the same structure. So I gave you an example to illustrate how. Now moving on, there are some comparison also. I mean, at times we need to do some comparison also among two variables. So just like in case of an ordinary variable, you do comparisons for the structure variables also. Say for example, if I have an ordinary variable integer a and integer b. So in that case, if I want to find out if a is equals to b, how will I do that? Using a equals to b. This is how I do it. If a equals to b, that is I am trying to find out if the contents or the values of a are same as that of b, right? Similarly, if I want to find out that a and b are not equals to each other, their contents or their values are not same, so how do I do that? If a not equals to b, so this is the logical operator a not equals to b here, which is comparing that a and b do not have the same value, and this is the logical operator equal, which is comparing that if a and b are having same values. So in case of ordinary variables, this is how you do logical operations. If you want to find out that both of them have same values, you say if a equals to b. If you want to know if both of them do not have same values, you say if a not equals to b. But In case of structures, you cannot directly compare two structure variables, right? So this statement which is given here, if person 1 and person 2 are two structure variables, in that case, in order to find out if both these variables are equal or if they are not equal, so these two statements, person 1 equals to person 2, is not valid, right? This is not how you will compare two structure variables. Similarly, if you want to find out if the value of these two variables are not equal, so what you do, person 1 not equals to person 2, no, this is not how you will compare it. This is also invalid. So both these methods are invalid in case of structure variables. Though when you have to assign the values, when you have to copy the values, this is valid. You can directly assign value of one structure variable to another structure variable, like in this case, but you cannot directly compare the values of two structure variables like they have done here. This is an invalid method. So basically you can say that C does not permit any logical operations on structure variables. C does not permit any logical operations on structure variables, or in other words you can say you cannot directly compare two structure variables. Like here I am trying to directly compare them. Person 1 is one structure variable, person 2 is another structure variable. So I cannot directly compare these two structure variables. Okay, now, so then what is the right method of doing that? The right method is that we can compare them by comparing the members individually, by comparing the structure members individually. So if I have a structure, struct people, and then the members are int age, float weight, float salary, right? These are the members. This is the main structure or the structure tag, and then the variables I have declared are person 1 and person 2. So in that case, say for example, if I want to find out that the salary, if the salary of person 1 and person 2 are same or not, so in that case I cannot do this directly. I cannot directly say person 1 equals to person 2. For that I'll have to compare the members individually, right? So how will I do that? I will say if person 1 dot sal equal person 2 dot sal. This is how I will salary equal person 2 dot salary. So this is how I will do the logical operations, whether it is a comparison operator. So this is how I will do the logical operations on structure variables through the individual members and not directly through the structure variables. Another example if I take, if I want to find out that the weight, if I want to ensure that the weight of person 1 and weight of person 2 are not equal, so I will not directly write person 1 not equals to person 2. How will I write it? If I will write person 1 dot weight not equals to person 2 dot weight. Okay, so this is what I said, that we will do the comparison or the logical operations through the individual members. So what are the individual members? Weight is an individual member here. Age was the salary was an individual member here. Yes. So person 1 dot weight not equals to person 2 dot weight. This is how I'll do the logical operations on structure variables and not like this. Though if I want to copy one variable onto another, I can easily do using this method. So if I say person 1 equals to person 2, so all the values of person 1, that is whether if it is the age of person 1, it is the weight of person 1, it is the salary of person 1, right? In that case, all the values of person 1 will be copied onto person 2. So now person 2 dot age will be same as person 1 dot age, person 2 dot weight will be same as person 2 dot weight, person 2 dot salary will be same as person 1 dot salary. This can be directly done, but if I want to do comparison I cannot do directly like this. For comparison I have to do comparison through individual members. So this is how you can do that. One more example we can see here to do the comparison. Say for example, if I want to find out if the ages of both these persons are same or not. So what I will do, what I will say, person 1 dot age equal person 2 dot age, or person 1 dot age not equal to person 2 dot age. So again this is through an individual member. Age is a member, and if I want to compare the ages of those two variables, that is those two person, how I will do, person 1 dot age equal person 2 dot age, or person 1 dot age not equals to person 2 dot age. So this is a simple concept. When you are copying one structure variable onto another structure variable, you can directly do it like this, like you did it here. And when you want to do any logical operations, so in that case you cannot do it directly like this. You have to do it through an individual member, like person 1 dot age equal person 2 dot age, person 1 dot age not equals to person 2 dot age. So this is how you can copy and compare any two structure variables.